Hi everyone, this is Tiffany and I'm back with another video. This time it is in Ipsy Unbagging. We got the envelope here and this month's bag looks like this. It's like some kind of gold snake or crocodile print. It says Ipsy on the front. And let's go ahead and get into the products. So the first thing that we have is this blush, which is from Pixie by Petra. And it's really pretty. It's in the shade Frosted Fleur. And one thing I will say is that I've never bought Pixie products myself, because they're typically sold at Target, which of course if you didn't know now, Ulta and Target have like combined. So now in some Targets you should be able to find an Ulta. But so I'm hoping that I think Pixie products should be coming to Ulta as well, so I might be able to try some. But every product that I've gotten in an Ipsy bag, and I've been with Ipsy for years, that's been from Pixie has been really good quality. This is what it looks like right here. And that is a blush. It's a really light pink. It's very pretty, very soft. I will say that their powders are very soft in general, and you have to be careful. Like, you can't travel with these because it never fails. Every time I've gotten a product, I've had to, from Pixie, that comes in this kind of container, whether it's a highlight or a blush, I've always had to repress it because somehow I'll just be doing my makeup at the table and it will fall from my hand, maybe a foot down to the table, absolutely burst into break in its container. So, next thing is from Beauty for Real, and it is an eyeliner in the shade Olive. I like this nude packaging. Very creamy. Looks like this. It's a true olive green. I'm happy to add that to my eyeliner collection. I don't have anything like that. And green is my favorite color. Oh, this is the thing that tells you what all the products are. Ooh, what's this? The next product is Sparkling Liquid Eyeshadow Fard by The Balm. It looks like this. And I really like The Balm Cosmetics. I've been pleased with all the products that I've received from them too. So, that is super reflective. That is a really pretty liquid eyeshadow. I'm happy to see that and happy to use that because it's a gold. So, like, we could all use another gold. So that's pretty. So far this has turned out to be a really nice bag. Okay, and the last thing we have is called Kenzie. So pretty. What is this? Oh, it's a perfume. They always get risky with perfumes. There's only one other time that I've had a perfume in an Ipsy bag, I think. And it was Juliet Has a Gun or whatever, and I hated it. I hated that fragrance so much. So I gave it away. Well, this is a nice size. And the Juliet Had a Gun was maybe half the size of this. It smells like vanilla. Oh, that's really nice. Let's see. It doesn't tell what any of the scents are going to be. It's just very fresh. It's a little bit floral with a little bit of vanilla. That's really nice. I'm actually very happy to receive that. So that's it. Was that 5 products? Oh, it appears that there was something outside of the bag. I didn't feel anything though. But we have a brush. It looks like a typical shader brush from Be Beautiful B. Oh, okay. It's from Farrah. It's a short shading brush, 45E. And we'll go right into my brushes to wash. And I'll definitely get good use out of that. So I don't know about everybody else, but I know some people have been complaining about the Ipsy bags that they've been receiving. But this was right up my alley. Like, I put that I'm very, makeup oriented and stuff. I do like fragrances on occasion. And all of this was geared towards what I like. Even the fragrance that they tried, because I don't think they ask questions about like what our preferences is on that. But like this one's really nice. I'm definitely going to get use out of everything here, so very pleased. Even with the eyeliner, like some people don't like getting eyeliners, but that's a nice color, something different, not a typical black, brown, or like a navy blue. So that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for my next one. Bye.